Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Red Magic 10 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. And then select this application and click install. And now you can click open and click on agree and continue. Now you can close this ad, then click allow and click consent. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to a VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.